Yo, what's going on, you guys? Your boy Devvon Terrell of Help Me Devvon Tutorials, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for 70,000 subscribers. We just hit that milestone, and we owe this to you. So I want to introduce you guys to two other people that are on the squad that help make this whole thing go. Over here, we have L. Gene, the producer, who is our FL Studio guru, who helps me with all that stuff and gets that content to you guys regarding FL Studios. Then we have our sick psychopath, Courtney Taylor, who uses Ableton.
You already know, Ableton Squad.
I'm kidding. Ableton is amazing. He helps us with all the things that you see as far as Ableton is concerned. They help make these templates that you guys are using that I'm hearing you guys love and adore. So I just want to give a big thank you to them and introduce you to them as well. Second thing I want to tell you guys is, for you producers, we're listening, we hear you. We're going to be implementing more producer tutorials just for you. I produce like a psychopath in Pro Tools. Levens obviously produces in FL Studio, and Courtney Taylor also produces in Ableton. We're going to be bringing you guys more production tutorials to help with those types of things. We heard you, we're listening, we're going to do it. So always remember, you guys can head on over to helpmedevvon.info for the templates that we always create for you guys. There will be more coming if you request them. Let us know in the comments below, and that is it. So once again, I just want to say from myself, and these guys right here, the whole Help Me Devvon / Raw Squad, thank you so much for 70,000 subscribers, and we hope this is the beginning of many more. Keep sharing it to your friends. Keep supporting us at helpmedevvon.info to keep this channel alive. And until next time, you guys.